These remedies hopefully will work for you.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Belly Blossom. On this channel, I help new mothers on their journey into motherhood. If you're new here, consider subscribing and join this community of mothers-to-be. So tell me, are you pregnant and feeling nauseous? Or maybe even worse, have you been throwing up? In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 natural home remedies that will hopefully make you feel better. Everything I talk about will be listed in the show notes below, so check there for detailed pricing and information. Remedy number 1, balanced blood sugar. Tune in to what you're eating and when. Having an empty stomach can increase the likelihood of pregnancy nausea. As soon as you wake up for the day, maybe even before you roll out of bed, have something to eat. Don't wait until you're finished getting ready for the day. Eat right away. I would keep crackers at my bedside and crunch a few before I got out of bed. I may have got some crumbs in the bed, to my husband's dismay. Be mindful of things that spike and quickly drop your blood sugar, like caffeine or sweets. These will tend to increase nausea. Try switching to some herbal teas in the morning. And if you really need that caffeine fix in the afternoon when you're feeling tired, have it then. After all, growing a baby is exhausting. I found that in the afternoon, I would feel less nauseous, but I'd also be feeling tired. So that was the time that I would have my coffee. A quick side note about nutrition, some strong-smelling vegetables can also make you feel nauseous, like broccoli and cabbage, so try switching to more bland cooked vegetables like carrots, squash, and pumpkin. Tip number 2, sleep. Sleep can dramatically influence the amount of nausea you're experiencing. Getting adequate rest can be difficult, especially if you have another child or are experiencing nausea in the evening or at night. My suggestion to you is try and take naps and have an earlier bedtime, and maybe you can even sleep through some of that nausea. Being more rested will not only improve your morning sickness, but also help you battle that first trimester fatigue. Remedy number 3, fresh air. Once you are able to function enough to get up and out of bed or off the couch, go for a short walk or just get outside for some fresh air. Some fresh air in your lungs and some wind in your face will make all the difference. I often would get nauseous in the car, and all I wanted to do was just stick my head out the window. People must have been wondering about me. On my way to work in the morning, it wouldn't even be hot, but I'd blast the air conditioning and it would help. Fresh air is good for you and your baby, and it will also help your mental health to get out of the house. Remedy number 4, essential oils. There are 4 essential oils that I recommend every pregnant woman should have. The first is chamomile. Roman chamomile has been used for centuries and has a very soothing and relaxing effect on many parts of the body. When it's ingested, chamomile can relax the muscles in the digestive system, easing nausea. Add 1 to 2 drops of chamomile to a cup of warm or cold water. Try adding a couple of drops to your bath or to a carrier oil such as almond or coconut oil and rub it on your shoulders, your neck, and your feet. The second oil I recommend is peppermint. Most people know that peppermint tea can be very soothing for nausea, but the oil can be used in a variety of ways. I personally love to diffuse peppermint oil in the air. It not only made my house smell good, but it helped with nausea, making me feel refreshing and uplifted. If I was feeling really terrible, I would add a couple of drops to a cold compress to my head or a warm compress to my stomach. It can also be used as chamomile in teas, in your bathtub, or on your skin. Next, I recommend lemon essential oil. Lemon has been one of the oldest nausea remedies around and has so many health benefits. I found that the aroma and the taste of citrus fruits, including lemon, grapefruit, and orange, helped relieve the nausea. Lemon oil can be great in water, in a diffuser, or just to smell on the go. Last but not least is lavender. Lavender is so relaxing and has such a delightful scent. It has the strongest impact when it comes to stress, relaxing the stomach and relieving nausea. Try lavender oil diffused in the air or topically on your skin. Before using essential oils internally, make sure they are organic and safe for ingestion. Remedy number 5, ginger. The mother of all nausea remedies is ginger. Ginger is good for any type of nausea, and it works. You can purchase ginger tea pre-made, or you can easily enough make your own. I even made my own ginger ale because did you know? Ginger ale pop doesn't even have ginger in it. The carbonation and the cold also helped relieve my nausea with the added benefit of rehydration after puking. And it tastes good coming up too. You can add ginger to your meals, with your vegetables or protein, or even in breakfast muffins. I also would snack on these ginger slices at work. The combination of sweet and spicy was very delicious and also distracting. I never used to like ginger until I started to eat it more and feel its benefits, and now I love it. I'm trying to make light of morning sickness because I know how terrible it is. I was sick from 9 weeks until 39 weeks when I delivered. You can have faith that it will end eventually, hopefully earlier than mine, and you will be gifted with this beautiful baby and every moment will be worth it. Remember that every pregnancy is different and not all things will work for everyone. If you've tried all of these remedies and need something to help you get through the day, talk to your doctor or midwife. There are safe medications out there for pregnancy. I really hope these remedies will help you combat those tough days. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe so I can see you next week on the Belly Blossom.